Guess where we are? We are in the Dollar Tree and I am going to find 9 different elegant pieces that you can use for summer decorations. So let's get started. Icelandic bottled water, anyone? So maybe this is silly, but this is my favorite bottled water for how classy it looks. And I think this looks really good in a guest room. I always stash the nursing room at our church with Icelandic bottled water. You can get it here, $1.25. These cute lemon dishes might be my all-time favorite. Now, I don't think you should get everything in lemon, but what I'm going to get are the little dessert / salad plates. And I think this will be just the thing to layer in with my white dishes. Maybe do a centerpiece that has lemons involved, just to give my summer tablescape a little refresh. Be sure to check the soap section. I love this lemon herbal soap. It's a nice thing to have on hand if you need to come up with a quick hostess gift. If you're going to a barbecue or something, just have these on hand, add it in with a little dish towel or something, and you're good to go. Promise me you're not getting your foam core anywhere besides the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you what to do with this and some rope. We're gonna wrap it around your KitchenAid mixing bowl, doesn't hurt the bowl, and turn the whole thing into a cute bee skep, which you can use for garden decorating. Here's the rope that I'm talking about. I think you wanna get, I don't know, I would start with about 7 of these. And you need a hot glue gun, and that's how we're gonna make a bee skep. Baker's twine is a good find at this store here. I love this combination. I think it's very vintage looking, especially for the 4th of July. But then you also can get larger quantities. Actually, any of these colors would look great, but I'm gonna show you how to make a really pretty hostess gift with the yellow Baker's twine. I'm gonna show you what we did when we harvested honey one time from our bees. And we put the honey in a jar. We used white burlap and wrapped it with this and a cute tag from Etsy. Let me show you. grab these. I'm going to show you how to mix these in with a coffee table setting, or even in some type of apothecary jar would be really pretty. So you can get them in creams and whites. And then this one also comes in grays with some pinkish tones and a little bit more color for you. I haven't seen these before, but these are marble desk organizers, and I grabbed one of these. Anything Carrera marble is speaking my language. Then it's gonna go in my top desk drawer like this to keep me all organized. This isn't necessarily a decoration per se, but I want you to grab some composition notebooks. Sometimes these are $3 on Amazon. Get them for $1.25 here. I'm going to show you what to do with these. And did you know that you can get contact paper at Dollar Tree now? Now, I love Carrera marble, well, anything Carrera marble, and I'm going to show you in an upcoming video on my favorite way to use this. But today, I want to show you this black floral toile print that they've got going on. I think this will be perfect for our composition notebooks, and I'm going to show you how to turn them into a stylish little planner. This is not about decorating, but I know you will forgive me. This is about the parties, it's about the road trips, it's about barbecues and anything else you've got going on during summertime. Don't get your ice at the regular grocery store. I think I just paid $3 a bag for the last party I did, and I didn't even think about checking the Dollar Tree. They also have bagged ice, and that's what I suggest. So that's it. We found 9 different things, not all decorating, but definitely ways to enhance the activities and dial up the beauty around you during the summertime. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe, and I will send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.